Hey everyone, welcome to your first look and hands-on breakdown of Nintendo Switch 2, one of the most anticipated console releases in recent memory, set against the proven might of the ASUS ROG Ally X. Both devices exist in the hybrid or handheld gaming space, but they take wildly different approaches, serving very different needs. Nintendo Switch 2 sticks close to its roots, with a form factor that's unmistakably Switch but refined. It's larger than the original, especially in width and Joy-Con grip. But thanks to its sleeker silhouette and more cohesive design, it doesn't feel bulky. The addition of a full-width adjustable kickstand and a new USB-C port on top enhances versatility in tabletop mode. Meanwhile, the ROG Ally X is unapologetically a gaming PC in your hands, with an ergonomic body that screams performance. It's slightly heavier, but balances well in the hands, featuring offset joysticks, tactile face buttons, and refined grips for long gaming sessions. Nintendo gave the Switch 2 a bigger 7.9-inch LCD panel with 1080p resolution, HDR10 support, and a new trick, VRR, up to 120 Hz. The high refresh rate is immediately noticeable and makes a significant difference in feel, but the decision to stick with LCD instead of OLED is the one lingering complaint. It looks great, but not elite. In contrast, the ROG Ally X uses a 7-inch Full HD IPS display, also capable of 120 Hz. And though it doesn't support HDR, its colors, contrast, and brightness are more than competitive. This is where the differences get dramatic. The Switch 2 runs a custom NVIDIA chip, but details are under wraps. Performance felt smoother during demos, and the addition of 256 gigabytes of UFS internal storage is welcome, especially with SD Express support for high-speed expandable storage. However, it's still a console-first device with limitations compared to a PC. On the other hand, the ROG Ally X is powered by AMD's Ryzen Z1 Extreme, essentially a full-blown PC APU backed by 24 gigabytes of fast LPDDR5X RAM and a huge 80-watt-hour battery. It runs Windows 11, plays any PC game or emulator, and connects to docks, GPUs, and displays. It's far more powerful than the Switch 2 in raw terms, capable of 1080p ultra settings in many games, with frame rates that match or exceed modern consoles in the handheld space. The Switch 2 leans on Nintendo's incredible ecosystem, and this time adds more social features than ever before. Native next-gen titles look and play better, and with enhanced Joy-Cons featuring HD Rumble 2, steel magnet connectors, and a new mouse-like motion sensor, there are new gameplay styles on the horizon. Nintendo's Game Share and Game Chat features also make multiplayer more seamless. If you're after exclusives and that Nintendo magic, this is where it lives. The ROG Ally X is all about flexibility. Want to play Cyberpunk 2077 modded to the moon? Go ahead. Want to emulate the original Switch, PS2, or even GameCube? You can. Its controls are less experimental but highly responsive, with Hall effect sensors and customizable mappings. However, it lacks the kind of plug-and-play simplicity and unique gameplay mechanics that define Nintendo hardware. Switch 2, with its 5,220 mAh battery, offers roughly 2 to 6.5 hours of gameplay depending on the title and brightness. It's enough for most sessions, but longer trips may require a power bank. Charging takes about 3 hours. ROG Ally X, meanwhile, packs an enormous 80-watt-hour battery. In testing, it can manage 3 to 8 hours, depending on whether you're playing indie games at 15 watt or AAA titles at 25 watt with performance settings. At lower power profiles, it easily outpaces the Switch 2 in endurance, which is impressive considering it runs full desktop-class hardware. Switch 2's strengths lie in its game library, new social features, redesigned and more robust Joy-Cons, and that 120 Hz HDR screen. It feels like Nintendo truly listened to its fans, but the lack of an OLED panel and uncertain third-party game support still leave questions. Durability concerns with the new magnetic Joy-Con system also linger. In contrast, the ROG Ally X is the definition of no-compromise gaming. It's powerful, feature-rich, and now lasts significantly longer than the original. Its weakness is also its strength. It's a Windows machine. It's for the enthusiast who wants it all, but at the cost of simplicity and sometimes polish. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.